The Biden administration started its plan to distribute millions of free N95 masks, and we know that counties in North Carolina, including Wake and Forsyth, have already received some of those first shipments. So when will Mecklenburg County start to receive some of those free N95 masks? We asked that question to Mecklenburg County Public Health Director Dr. Raynard Washington, and here's what he had to say.
As we know to date, those masks will be first distributed at a number of targeted sites in the community, including federally qualified health centers, which of course we have two here in Mecklenburg County, C.W. Williams and Charlotte Community Health, as well as a network of pharmacies, retail pharmacies will also be receiving a supply for free distribution. We here at the county have not yet received a shipment from the federal government, though we do understand that there will be additional shipments coming to local governments and state governments to distribute those masks in the community.
So there is no exact timeline, but the good news is Dr. Washington says he knows they are on the way. As far as what they're doing right now, Dr. Washington says they have received some of those free N95 masks from the state. So here's how they're allocating that batch.
We started distribution with some very high risk settings that we needed to focus on because they had urgent needs, including our detention center, as well as our shelter partners, as well as a number of our long-term care facilities who had been running low on supply. So our team has been working to get those out to those partners this week. We've also, thanks to our partnership with Atrium, been able to help support CMS with a large supply, not from the supply from the state, but a separate supply. And we know that CMS has also put in a request for additional masks, and they have their own shipment coming from the state as well. And we are hoping to, again, to distribute additional N95 masks when we have our rapid test kit, our next round of rapid test kit distribution.
Dr. Washington also says he knows that bad weather has impacted the arrival of some of those resources. So we, of course, will stay on top of this and let you know when those shipments arrive.